your host, Derek Saint Kizito.
Okay, yeah, that's say ya chow ya mo kwaba and I no pay so ko kwanse wia and I wish ya ma aha. And you mentioned more job, but of course, maybe I will be no depending on your super fantastic location. Your church so go kwaso emo kwaba eba GH Live Studio. Of course, and you share more, the update upon updates, bro, na for ya to us on Sompa live on GH Live Studio, Saint Zito, proper channel, Asante Kotoko, and I think so. I have sports, Ghana football, World Cup, so Nina Mano, Yedi Shiana, Nema, Arian Kunim, dear, so come on this edition, you didn't come cry, the afa 1 or 2 things, honum, that is World Cup, Ebabe Tuja. Ewo Oman United States of America ni muna nkomo kakra ba Emma Sante Kotoko and afi other host of the local teams are mo reps esa mutimika ho ebe bi ho nkomo makote enti me de betu dwa enti hwan ena Kotoko be yi no aka ho amana ba bi ensem no edoso ebransu wom kama with regards to the World Cup no enti da bia the tenase the World Cup ho nkomo alongside Batman alongside with Krobia Mapoma Metema Santico to the best coach Hamza Ben and common society nim yebedi na yahwe said on so western quantum pompaso yeberam that was Santico to fitness room injury update yedamon some kakra ebetu anim na afin so referees a pobia koso nkomobia koso Ghana referees no person mo ya ade bi na omode shati asante kotoko down quick na yebedi nkomo kakra na eba na a score pepepe but ni nyina gina Kotoko so se ebebem no se itimi etoa so na ye ma heads up na obianso hu se de nsanso na ebetumi akọ ye be remo Asante Kotoko goalkeeping department na ya sha die bi kakra honom does it look likely say goalkeeper Fatao I ne obolon future stars no ne nkomo bi ebe remo a ye de be ma na Uncle Malik Jaber wono so nsem kakra bi ese yesiniko so na yetoa so ebiensem ni mu edema na yakuanim ye hade ebetimi akakopie mu enti ye nsem no ba edoso more update na latest update ewo Basake Holy Stars ho Asante Kotoko next opponent womo anemu omo 20-man squad womo de ba be hia Asante Kotoko na say enomo ntotie sitie ye di nka ma omo training ho nsem throughout the week enya Kotoko nko ade na ye de ba enti ya to the opponent watch ye de kakra be rem with regards to yama tidbit kakra ede afabobo kwaye from say Basake Holy Stars Peter Fantastic Amidu Akwa ye be chiado na once again ye the other stories are if you also ebe nyina no amatie for di kame ho na emfa nsem ne nsomo. Okay, I'm a piano na see your content so na yet in summer to any weekendy Yankopon edi ye ho afofia Asante Kotoko any bobo kwa watu din say Basake Holy Stars and a day game I have to din say Ghana Premier League you know ebetata so na bibia wi nkonim die so share so emam say Basake Holy Stars eba bobo ekwan so a Premier League you know wo mo ne Kotoko asia kan ba ko mienu miensa corner sa miensa time and o masi akan na yiram kakra ma head to head na ansana the stories a piece so at the Amoah Kotoko Basake Holy Stars game eba so eda kwasiara 3:30 p.m. Ghana time no I was near the tier and say no be fourth time Kotoko ne Basake Holy Stars Asiamu Premier League quantum pon kese and so first game eba so November 26 2025 and no and a game yemfan to just say the last time that is the first ever meeting in the Premier League you know was in October 27th 2024 make it right October 27th 2024 a game Holy Stars etena fie any Asante Kotoko boy man ko 1-1 catch your friend say abet Amoah 35th minute goal and 82nd minute Prince Treneboa eteka edema Basake Holy Stars until that was the first ever meeting in the Premier League between the two teams abet Amoah ne wasa aba eba be chere ne bobre no or she go Emma Trebois Prince and so Trebois Eteka Emma Bibiari and Kunim. So now the second ever meeting between these two teams was in way back 2025 and also was a time as Asante Kotoko Tina Fisher Kabakon Editia Basake Holy Stars 14th minute and Samuel Tenedu eto atena edema Asante Kotoko eno edi twemu a eno yetimi ehye wo that was March 23rd 2025 eno enchemu kakra na the next meeting so nansan ya omo share 2-1 na yentimi antwas wani nkunim no yes Prince Treneboa no eto atena Richmond Sumia eto atena ena Kwame Pokunya first 7 goal. That is the consolation edema Asante Kotoko no and on November 26 2025 the film 22 teams no omashia mu miensa league no mu no Basake ewini ba Kotoko ewini ba na ba so aye draw na currently Ghana Premier League no Basake Holy Stars etoso dumienu ena Kotoko etoso miensa games Kotoko asha na feel league mu ne ye nwotwe Basake ashensia draw mako nwotwe na Kotoko enya ena enum akọ ede ama Basake fo no lose anase nkugo no Basake lose nwotwe Kotoko lose miensa eno enchemu kakra si keep clean sheet Basake fo no keep clean sheet 7 times in this season league anymore ena Kotoko so keep 12 clean sheet e wa feel league ye bomo eno enchemu kakra yede ema in a tier for na afi biggest win for Basake Holy Stars no a game on money be any Gold Stars a boy e wa feel league mo omo she 2-0 editia be any Gold Stars and omo biggest lose I feel so bra heart of fly on show my come in son what don't end to me anti Kotoko dey win him dada yen biggest lose ye because woman and my 2-1 and omo share e wa feel mu yes I feel league ni mu sam na ye ken any biggest win so 6-0 I share be chim for no inti eno kakra ye di so the amount now son the other stories we man no Basake update and say nyame edi ehun afofia ye hope say e da your friend say that is Friday that is ne won be wura na afi won be wura mu obia your friend say kuma say na omo atoa so ma ne ma wie nkunim jesu na bibia awie peye but na omo hwe say ombetumi asim na afi omo eye ne kakra omo aba be wura mu ape baby alogic kama na any guest house bi omo e de aba pe so na enema awie nkunimdie so e de ama wo mo na omo training na omo ye anopai training no na ohwam ranche kakra coach etimi eka omo bo mu AEB edi free mu na Prince Asempa etimi ameki squad omo de baba pie mu Kumase no and Lawrence Gadese enso ameki squad na nuachi Cratchy a friend say Peter Ahin and Francis Oseiwusu Boniface Blay and Matthew Mensah one more account be Richmond Sumia washe go etia Kotoko paying yes you know more recently not to watana but Tasha 10 JC one account squad no and Gabriel appear Ennis Buedu and Sylvester Simba yes former Dreams FC player and national under 20 team no we see account more paying Francis Asante Prince Amponsa and Emmanuel Kwame Emmanuel no and George Danaki see Kwesing Kofi Gideon and Prince Treneboa on also to Atnetia paying of Francis Otin Jetia and Prince Opoku Jacob Buazi on an attack captain woman and after Dubi Kasi Tachi yes goalkeeper no Eddie and no Dubi Kasi Tai or no a goalkeeper until we a for best at Junua coach etimia ka omaboma omachimi akoso ede ba be share Asante Kotoko nyame omanya very good training this week pa enye for their grow na e kan kakra bi so e won so mpanyfo etimi asokete kakra yenka so omayi ni nyina afiri ho ede ama wo mo omo asokete omo kakra players no anim asesam afiri tumyemu aba ba ye fita kakra omani abrese krodom e ba be piemu e Kumase no omani Asante so ede atata so yenko yanim na yemfa other stories making headlines and to when man Asante Kotoko yes training ebeto general one more edin kind a preparatory game that is the young porcupines a boy mi 3-3 and only the two him that what and home sem ne home painting kwa any of the idea might be to me etoja but in front to him say coach wasn't pleased with performance of a couple of players being Unimi and Sambi and womb when any annual monty a game no Coachilla ebo modern any other technical handlers no any players no edin komo ye papa and no enchemu kakra etoja player I Francis Aqua shall sapo modene na ebo ne pabene kwan so yes Francis Aqua yere wo ho na ema sapo munyensu den chimu na ahode na abo ne bechim no bonus Kotoko na esa me hwe machi me hwe me nchen na dɔso yes ahaye ball kokwa na most definitely e chese abanke CM edu ho nkomo nti Francis peja ahomene so na ema ohomene so kakra na eboni yie na bibia ntimi enkoso nti coach edi nkan any players after the game no edi nkomo but obia obo bibia nkomo di akoso but mostly baby a ohwa na a little bit a form kakra no one boys no edi nkomo yie papa wahye wo mu nkran ewo kwantempo so no ensam kakra di tuja edi ama ye ne chiefo ewo mu afi baba ya wonso mesa chiao na maka chiao se agro no teso onse disi be 3 days ni da bia mi gina so eka se agro ne so yes na eja mpasere na uyi na eyero ho na emane nyansa enti sa asante de yes oya oleted da ho eno ani se omudidin ehemti baba edin ne nkomo amakote no ma homene so na bibia entimi nwenkodimdie so emfama yenko yanime physical trainer Mr. Emmanuel Amate unima my story edayen channel ha no makacho dada se ebra opanyi aye friend se CK Akono Charles Komla Akono ekopie mu wa Ashanti Gold no wone no ena ekopie mu hono ma wo mo eye fantastic job e onu yi papa eno achi CK Akono be pie mu Kotoko no coach anase physical trainer Emmanuel Amate eno ena ba be pie mu yes papa no medin card no nsama manti yen se ebra ho wo guso eye dwuma na yesi twen a watch boys ni mu nsuo no enye for the agro boys no so really appreciate the fact say obaye no niema course report kakra yensa kan and say opanyin ni share condition of some of the players na a little bit kakra G3 den shada Amoah quantum papa so ntine what a special training regime at one and I'm season ni busua course ntinya fe na abe no buguruburu bia na afi asa kofe pra any ade abanti what a special training at one and individual players bia eyen komosama no atwa gu ma yede ma yenetiefo for now technical head opinion din ede ora Karim Zito Kabute uncle any aso niema papa ba yen chede but onimsampa ese there is more room for improvement ba no niema esha ase betumi asesan ye papa enchemu kakra de tudwa ye de Basake for 20-man squad at winning yes but so informal Kotoko the likelihood say ne abet Amoah super player ebe rem na fi watimi esi akan na bi ede atia wo no very high enti more or less uhwemu na ekame akwa say one of the forward ho beka na waba be rem na fi niam atimi akoso na bibia wie pay enti ye hwe ne training very ya the final report ni ade kakra be bro the SL tie no ye de betudwa ede ama na bibia atimi awie pay ewo mo no enchemu kakra ye de etudwa na with regards to injury situation Hamzata na chemato kakra ho but ono so mpanyifo opiso betima metiki match day squad na bibia timi awie peye ewo mo still on injury room no Shaibu Eguso the fair colored guy very good player mpanyifo any doctor say wa sante ehwemu almost professionally the guy ethics is super na almost afin registration on count na me pra sanso na mintan so print on count ho ena inti manu so ono so print yan register no but uhwemu Shaibu no kwan asese oye ne surgery ye na ne discipline act or ye any ade no empanyifo any asoye pa mostly the medical team na womo eba kwadana baso ye papa ye hoku se most definitely yenwe season no na ne ho sipin sita de next season bewremu asia kan ya ebo pa bene ede ama Asante Kotoko ne ho ye aribia no etwa edi go ewo mu kama mintanso asharan na se kakra ene obo say adaka judge ono ya no so etumika kakra tempenti kretin fifiri se ne be ono so the redim no ebetimi atoa so na fully watimi aye fit kama intimate situation and iguso so esim ede ama say kind of unclear yes they na enimni say ojitum so be kwa surgery but for now ye beto na ebrepam no ye wrem ede nsama ma on the contract as a barrier at the end of the season and pay for a dinner home come back miensa ni suba mpa ene niam awodo a woyi na die nti no empanyfo assassin yi pa ehusampa ya ne santi most definitely intimanu ebetimi enya extension a branding crab ba me ehu na ye de ato anim kama but empanyfo eguso edwendwen ho hwe se ne nema ebetimi akọ ewuma wono so wasi ginaye ane ni injury no sense empanyfo asi kwantin papa so ase de wama kwan ama medical team ni nyina ewram no mo shama bibia atumi akoso ofa Malik Jaber ene ne obeka yemre bi wabadwuma makotoko pen yes oko Bosikrum Burkina Faso asfa yene ganom so e a legend e o so a legend wo Kotoko no a na of Malik Jabe Johnny ena ene so unim say waye no say anasa so waye no say empanyfo ayi na technical kwan so oboabo kakra advisory role any ade the name and say at the end of the season the meditating komo bi source bi am create anasa meet edi free no etwesa antwa at the end of the season of abegina home ni nyina no with regards to say apomdin ni ahoden kwan so no yes na bibia no eso of akwaniaba any ade no ebeka akwa bibia o kakra na o maped young and energetic bia obetimi awuramu na waboa ama koha boa mesuha ne ade no awie payenti of a Malik Jabe of a Johnny at the end of the season the Juma Oyema Santi Kotoko no it's likely say any obetimi awuramu exit door na properly omatimi afo bi foforo e de awurama kan ho aboa ma team no empuntu etimi akoso no enchemu kakra yate a yede tudwa e de ama yenetefo ewo mu now yenko yenim na yemfa de aka no ento aso emfama yenetefo a World Cup baso 2026 a yerami adum ya the Black Stars of Ghana ewo game ball with Croatia ewo Philadelphia Sanso ena omo ewo game ball with Panama ewo Canada eno achi ukọ kopiem of Boston nom ene ade a Worcester papreso wo nom Massachusetts womo ene the Three Lions of England and so ewo game ebo na the makoto no Ghana Football Association a link to Kotoko and it said teams what Ghana Premier League no it's likely say Ghana Football Association panika sia your friend say Kurt Edwin Simono Kirku ene na tiati do anase kind of say no one na pamfo ebeka bom na omatimi aboa ama obia team bia enya rep aka ho ababi yes report no kra to aso twemu say oba be see Kotoko panyini bia o te Canada so kama ema ene wo mo places supporters group wo mo dia ebeba ne ade no ebetimi allogy no enkomo a opanyin no ababedi no de back down komo enchenya no ehun asem na ese de tudwa na de tie and it's a Premier League teams no obia benya rep kama it's likely say 2 reps e be free Ghana Premier League teams in e aba yes talking about say bia obe you management member and as a technical person now be you na kan ho aba yeah it say there's 2 management you can say technical handlers and as any team o Premier League no obenya rep mienu aba be wurama enche kra wo be corresponding say nei omo enimodi hu nkomo na division 1 so team bia so atimi e de 1 slot akopie mu enye players so but ye kasa mpanyifo be di atri ababie no omo de mba fremu na afie mo so mo be mo ni akoma na experience awodo a ese mutumi egada no mutumi agada no achi FIFA ebe ye soccer clinic no hu nkomo ni ade symposium awodo bebre ebe koso a enye fedi agrokra na Ghana Football Association this is a good time womo ebe register a lot of clubs na womo edo mo rep ebe ba na bi na various symposium a FIFA ebe a day off no womo de mo rem na experience how do so mo gada no womo timi agada nti we hints ene ate nti club ya mo Muhammad so na muntimi enye CCC dada ko na we de obeba no onka ho na bibia no enye konimdie so nti no enchemu kakra de tudwa now enkomo ye GF ho na ye de we nsu piwo so se eni nyame anim no krani GFA performance of referee no ade bi a attach kakra o mahu se standard no tia na etiba form o mahu pa na nchemu no ene se konofe kononsem bi be koso enti Kotoko we ye de we atesem a nipa odi mi di nkomo no behind the scene combo Kotoko mu game a ye ne ye bebo that is ye ne Basake Holy Stars ebebo no ye sasia let's go for the kill ye mo no poke crowd me so ni ngum tentem so nti na dynamic say goals ni beba ntem nti mo ye momoden na ye nko stadium ntem virtual sea challenge no so ye ntwetwa ntem na bibia enye kama mo ye nko stadium ho na chitafo no mo ma mo memra na yentimi to aso enye nkonimdifo na penkra dwuma pa warrior no entimi enso aba pa wo ha ene ne mo ho ema team no se Kotoko ene Basake game no papa ba pa konkomo o se emu ya den a ade na omunchim ade no enko ba bi ho na ese omunya ade bi mfa ntia Basake so tie ni yie omo ye sa na obeka say advantage to Kotoko but omo ye to silent ade kokosi bia ye friend say bibia ni no se na be ye Facebook nom any social media handles how do I can gangsters ni be so say mo de ejema mo a na eyamode mo de on se aye bia mamo na e glare no matwa no aba beto na no a trendy na aba be shut ye yesu ani yesu enra no enti yesua mo enkomo amate no century ba ko a menua a oban panyimfo ni bi enkomo personal enkomo na ne kan na yesa wo ka bububum enti na wo hwa a ne ka esi ase na mapagya e de kɔ soro kakra enti wada roma eya bebuo de make en wahu enti players na mo asante Kotoko no yesua mo game ne Basake ebo ni other games e dey anim no mo ye mo no poke crowd nya fe eni ekoyi ani na emu akoye den na fe hospital penalty bi abegya maye na kran konkrofo atwitwa ho no nko aba beto na aba be te say aha on say mo koye bi a ye ti a mo de say na aba abekata so yes enti yesua mo obi a mo ye mo ye bo gidi na yenhye nkoso yenim na bibia anye kama nti we hint mu nkomo ene afutuo ena players no ye de ma mo coach Karim Zito the enim ene se enei eniama etumpon ye papa nkomo bai sampa nka amanfo chiremu a oyese ogina home na mpanyimfo pam ne ade nkomo bai but the minim ene ba bia me create meeting semi edi free ni se nkomo harmony creation of just atmosphere koso kama ama bibia etumpon a say coach Karim Zito wo hu na nim kwan mpanyimfo aka kyen se otoa na dwuma so yes obisa question bi se mu jame kwan no ni ade nkomobomu no yes but mpanyimfo aka kyen se ofa dwuma na wo yo ntitoa so na main niemam na niema enkoso coach Karim Zito behind the scene ashebo nkunimdie bo se Ghana Premier League no enye too late sa FA Cup no de obono pam agrepo ba league no obekono 3 matches kopim se bebe wi enti o target operation 3 matches bia no pa na nikra nso eje kwan a boys no performance output to training grounds near the aircourse no ama bibia etumpon a obi ekase coach Karim Zito currently near the exit door ebia nkomo koso but empanyifo hwe implication no any ade a enshada emo situation nti all things being equal coach Karim Zito so what was kopim set season bebe wi de poke crowd kejua so obeto aso ama bibia atumi akoso no nkomo kakra me so makote a say ye de tudwa ema ye na chiefo na ye hu se ni so aso de betumi akọ na goalkeeping department so yan fan to anim tentem so na yan wrap up say enei goalkeeper your friend say Fatao ono ye Kotoko goalkeeper no loan future stars no empanyimfo guso monitor the situation a omo se ne more no esom buye pa na omo hwa ade bi ti nkomo we nkomo no ene se Camara nkomo bone de anyame anim esibo so enhye dan pagya ni mu enti assuming without admitting say bia Camara ebekwa at the end of the season now empanyimfo ebedwen another goalkeeper obeba ho ombekwa akofa pabene eba akwan ba beka Aziz Dari ho yes na Aziz no performance no mpanyimfo onya akwanya namu gidigidi but mpanyimfo hu ni say we a little bit slow kakra enti omo kofa pabene ba akwan beka na ho say Camara kwa mimu obi adin wa ha enam say Kotoko option of goalkeepers there 3 egu onu ma omudi hu nkomo now Fatao di am boy no chum mabo di mprenu se mprensa chum mpanyimfo hu ni say modern monom training grounds nom ni ade o de mi nkyerechire mu pi ba twum so obese sanema bim ayire niema bim ayirim because Fatao no there's a performance a we exhibit future stars on nyeketwa enti anhwe ye twum epanyimfo beja akwan permanently at the end of the season enkomo ekoso no wetix mpanyimfo ani nye wetix ho mostly technical handlers no enti se Fatao ye recall Fatao at the end of the season emane nyo wanwa na pabene ba akwa abeka ho nti basa Camara ko twum so kwanya beba na Fatao abeka Aziz ho na pabene ba akwa ba bewuram eno ye nkomo kakra ye tiseti a eno so ye de etu ye ne chiefo eni ba still ampanyifo enhwa komo mutwi empopo wo me Camara ebesa atena sibium na nkomobo atumi akoso a eno enchiremu kakra etu dwa ewmo ye de ma ye ne chiefo ewo mu now ye be yes striker bi hu nkomo edema yes me catch you say slot no there is still one slot in as much as a window no a close na manfo bi say na say window na close na window close ya e di transfer nkomo bi ye tell say obi a free agent there at any given point in time utimi register no eno ye nchemu kakra de ma ye ne team fonti what is a child ni bi ye training na eno am kofa me de mate so ye training ho e ma me correspondence so confirm so ye training ho mawuram ahu so ye training ho enti ye basa obi oban asante bia ekokofa ne ho nsem de ba enti ono ne Kotoko ye training na enra ye ne ho profile ma ohu ye ba bi ofri ene ba bi akwane nam ode abi piem e wada kwagya ache no ene ye ho adwuma nti ye de ne video kra atwo no nti I think say eno e wo yen channel hobby obhwe video ya eno na to aso yes nti obetimi e ho ope striker na wa ba ne Kotoko ye training na se Kotoko edi ne ITC ho nkomo no a that's it ono eda ho no mo a eno e kan na wo baby sase ato transfer window no mu a me ba chow get here and say so a free agent nko ade a opportunity arise say and the registration betimi atodwa e bra enfound say window no ashate. This is what we know. Enti ogusua any asante training no yan komo kakra ye dey to gan some doors but na I fear that nti fear that nyame boy be sa betena se na ye dey update no Kotoko we training na ye dey komo ba ko a free mu beba na ye report Camara e dey ama any atoa so aserve hot live e wo GH live studios me dey Derek Sen Zito afei no abeka ho aka ho na ye nyina yin soma asante Kotoko odoso.